Hello everyone, this video will talk about the summer pruning of roses. Roses like an environment with plenty of light, good air circulation and good drainage. For most varieties, the best growth temperature is 15 to 26 degrees Celsius during the day and 10 to 15 degrees Celsius at night. When the temperature is below 5 degrees Celsius in winter, it enters a dormant state. And many varieties can withstand a low temperature of -15 degrees Celsius. In summer, when the temperature continues to be above 30 degrees Celsius, the rose will enter a semi-dormant state. When the temperature is high, the pruning of roses should not be too strong. Because the material supply and demand between branches, leaves and roots is relatively balanced, if the pruning is heavy, the balance will be broken, the growth of roses will be weakened, and in severe cases, the rose plants may wither. When pruning roses in summer, you can't prune them as hard as in other seasons. Generally, just cut off the residual flowers and keep as many healthy leaves as possible to maximize the photosynthesis of the rose plants. After pruning all the residual flowers, cut off some weak branches and small branches at the bottom of the plant. In addition, there are some branches and leaves that grow too densely inside the plant, and some of them should be removed appropriately. Some blind branches, that is, some branches that only grow leaves, will not grow branches, and will not bloom, should be removed in time. In order to allow ventilation and light at the bottom of the plant, if there are too many leaves at the bottom, some should be removed appropriately to allow air to circulate better at the bottom, which can reduce the breeding of pests and diseases. After pruning, we should fertilize to replenish the nutrients consumed by the rose. If fertilization is not applied in time, the new buds will be malnourished, bloom less, and the flower disc will be smaller. In addition, due to the high temperature in summer, the rose will enter a semi-dormant state. If it is allowed to dormant, it will take a long time for it to break dormancy and enter a growing state in autumn. In summer, proper fertilizer supplementation can keep the rose in a growing state. After the temperature drops, they will quickly bud and will bloom more flowers in autumn than the roses that dormant in summer. In summary, the key point of summer pruning of roses is to only cut off the residual flowers and not to prune them heavily. Appropriately remove thin branches, weak branches, blind branches and overly dense branches at the bottom of the plant to increase plant ventilation while reducing the breeding of pests and diseases. In addition, remember not to shape and overbalance the rose plants in summer, and do not over-twist the remaining branches and leaves to ensure that the rose plants can smoothly survive the difficult summer. In addition, regular fertilization should be applied to break the semi-dormant nature of the rose in summer, so that the rosette is always in a growing state and ready for blooming again in autumn. Well, this video ends here. Welcome to subscribe, like, comment and forward. See you next time.